the right turn lane? Yes. No wonder why he slammed on his brakes. Did not stop. Did not stop. Wow, people are horny. Straight from left turn lane. Man, I think it was dual turn fail up there. Really?
To migraine headaches? If you get the scented stuff, it smells just like a spa. It's so relaxing. My question is, what's an Epsom salt? Like, I know what salt is.
Really, you're just gonna sit there?
What the hell is an Epsom salt? Well, strap yourselves in, my friends, because we are going on a journey. We're going to a place.
Red light run. I got a sense that he's going straight from right turn lane. Straight from right turn lane. Straight from right turn lane. Straight from the right turn lane. Actually, no, he turned. Wow, someone actually followed the rules for once.
But I couldn't bear the look in your dear eyes. My love. My love. V.
This is a one-way to exit. Double lines. Oh, jumped right to the left lane. Up, straight from left turn lane. Really? Okay.
What are you gonna do? Stand there and ask at me? What's the right answer? I didn't want to say the wrong thing, so I didn't say anything. Pick up the bag, idiot, my dad said. Thinking this was some kind of trick.
So close.
I nervously picked up the
exit dive.
Sticker, man, just having this thing around is like great.
Red light run by that Porsche.
You know what's
exit regret.
This was still a white mask. She was clutching the edge of the table with both hands. He thought she was going to faint and almost rose to come round.
That truck just ran the red.
2-inch exhaust keeping him company. He felt excited at the prospect of his interview with them. The remarkable man who was then, and
Exit dive.
still is, head of the sea.
That bus cannot exit there. Passenger cars only.
He found he could speak to her easily, and he was surprised. With most women, his manner was a mixture of
Did not stop before turning. Red light run. Why'd you think it was okay to go? I just went right through the stop. Is there like an invisible car in front of you that I don't know about? There you go. Ah, red light run. Badly. K&M something or other. Oh. Fuck me.
That's what she said.
Yeah, people are horny. And I just screwed up.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Red light runner. And what is that? Just ran the red. Hey. Hello, big white van. Hello.
Explain our bell for the audience who may not know.
So he did an overnight show called Coast to Coast AM,
Red light run.
where he just literally listening to the show. And I remember I had stopped listening for a while, and I came to a job, and I was sitting at my job and just started doing data entry, and I found those online, and I was like, oh my gosh, I got to listen to these again. I started listening to them, and I was like, what the hell is this crop circle stuff? This is so stupid. Why
What
was
are
I
you
so dumb
doing?
as a kid? And then I
Awful, like we don't talk about that. I mean, you guys want to talk about Limbaugh, his death, the speaking ill of the dead? I'll just toss it out. Either way.
Why were you stopping for a green light?
I think if you're going to speak ill of them while discriminated against, think about all those people that don't have that massive amounts of privilege and what that does to
exit
them,
regret.
right? Think
Houses to who, Ben? Fucking Aquaman!
Okay.
Ran right
Ben
through the
Shapiro.
stop.
All right, he's just an awful person.
Wondered why he had put off that first meeting for over a week. He would like to have put off the meeting still further. He
Exit
explained to himself that
dive.
his
Exit dive.
I don't see many of those around. They are mostly used against the Turks and the Yugoslavs.
Oh, he just sped right through the stop sign.
James, it is easy. You can start off by resigning. That was a brilliant thought of yours, a
I
splendid
just
start to your
ran the
career.
stop sign.
And so the other end was Vesper's toothbrush, and one or two small bottles, and a jar of face cream. He glanced at the bottles
You got honked at.
and was
Hi, how you doing? Oh, you almost hit the guy.
Sideboard. Some afterthought of lighters, he supposed. He ate his breakfast with enjoyment. Between mouthfuls, he looked out of
Just
the
sitting
wide
there.
window and
How long will it take him to realize that the light's green? Oh, there he goes. Took him long enough. Probably was texting or something. Bow down before the one you serve. We're going to get what you deserve.
all booths against the wall was empty. Bond and lighter slipped into the two seats with a narrow table between them.
Didn't even stop and there was a
They
car
ordered
coming.
scotch and soda.
My spidey sense is tingling. Yep. No turn on red. Did not stop. What are you doing? Oh, they rent those things to anybody.
There were runways for overhead cranes. From the market,
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 no. You cannot be there. No trucks in the left lane today. No trucks in the left lane in the rain. And we're singing in the rain. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please tune in next week because I'm sure there's going to be more. Alright, bye.